Institutions become great when people become better and better over time.
It's not always easy to sort of go out there and look for what you really want. What is your process of actually, finding the right fit for yourself, for your team?
We have seen a lot of companies in our journey, shutting down, failing, and the only thing which differentiates from success and failure is the team at the highest level, right? And good that first of all, we were able to catch hold of all the founders very early in their journey. So I think we have always looked for people who have that fire, who have that sophistication in terms of the skills, but also easygoing people, right? There's a cultural value ethos that we have internally, and we look for people who have the same, resonate the same feeling. At least from my perspective, I always think about how do I make myself redundant now, which is again a different thought, right? From, as you guys rightly said, working 18-20 hours a day in the initial few years to now thinking, how do I don't work at all? So when you have that perspective, you see that person from that lens. So it's very important, right? Because it has to trickle down to that last person who we have on the ground.
If you are hiring people who are smarter and hard worker, like who work harder and smarter than you, then you are doing it right. There's a fundamental thing, right, which I believe makes institutions great. The institutions become great when people become better and better over time as a team, right? That is the process that I think we have to continue doing, right, and percolate it down. But larger goal here was to align people on a common mission. The early team actually aligned to the mission. They saw that this is their own product, this is their own mission. That was important, and now to keep that happening is the journey that we are on, right?